Hi guys, welcome to the EduMatrix channel. Great news today. Vietnam has been upgraded by FTSE Russell into emerging markets. And in a moment, I'm going to share with you what that means for the VND. In simple terms, this means that the large global investors now see Vietnam as a stronger investment. Because of this, experts expect billions, billions of dollars to flow into Vietnam. To be exact, they are talking about $6 to $8 billion flowing into Vietnam's stock market. In the eyes of investors, this would place Vietnam on the same level as China and India. In the eyes of investors, this would place Vietnam on the same level as China and India. Vietnam is also spending massive amounts of monies on infrastructure, things like roads, ports, and transportation systems. Now, all of this is to support long-term economic growth, but it could also increase government debt. Right now, government debt is considered to be manageable. As you know, Vietnam has always been at the top of the list for global trade, and that has continued. It is exporting more foreign goods, especially to the United States. The bottom line is that Vietnam is moving from a low-cost manufacturing country to becoming a stronger, more important global economy. For those of you holding the VND, this is excellent news. Not good, but excellent news. And the channel recommends that you hold your VND. Do not sell, do not trade, but hold.